Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 Maths chapter Plane Geometry, the continuation of part 1. So, in previous part we have seen the introduction and the first topic, that is point, then line segment. After that, now we will learn about the normal thing, midpoint. Fourth topic is midpoint. Midpoint means if this is a line segment, and this is the midpoint of this line segment, it means this both line segments are equal. If this hole is 10 centimeter, then this will be 5 centimeter and this will be 5 centimeter, then this will become the midpoint. So now next is a ray. Ray is also too simple. Ray, like this. Ray means one part is non-ending, infinite, and one part is ending. There is one given point and one non-ending line. Like this is called a ray. Sorry. Next is kinds of lines. Kinds of lines. In that, parallel lines we know. Parallel lines. Parallel lines means the lines which do not meet, the lines which do not intersect each other and do not have any point in common are called parallel lines. Seventh is concurrent lines. Next is concurrent lines. The figure is like when three or more lines pass through a single point, they are called concurrent lines. Like this. Next is transversal. Eighth is transversal. Transversal line means a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal of the given lines. Like this, the two parallel lines, and this is a transversal line. Next is ninth topic is angle. Angle. In angle, if these are the lines, this is point O, then this is the angle. degree. If the line segment rotates through a complete rotation, it comes back to its original place. Complete angle. There are many types of angles. We are going to learn them. First is acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle means the angle which is less than 90 degrees called acute angle. Second is right angle. Right angle. An angle which is equal to 90 degrees called right angle. Next is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So, an angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. Fourth is straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle means an angle which is equal to 180 degree is called a straight angle. Next is complete angle. An angle which is exactly equal to 360 degrees is called a complete angle. Like this. This is the complete angle. Next is reflex angle. An angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Next is zero angle. An angle is said to be a zero angle when two rays coincide and measure is 0 degree. Next is pairs of angles. So we are already introduced about pairs of angles, that are complementary angles and supplementary angles. Complementary angles. Next is supplementary angles. Complementary angles means when the sum of the measures of two angles is equal to 90 degree. Means angle plus angle. Means two angles sum is equal to 90 degree. This is called complementary angles. And second is supplementary angle. When the sum of the measures of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Angle plus angle is equal to 180 degree. This is supplementary angles. I hope you have understood till this the whole introduction part. In part 2 of chapter plane geometry, we will solve some problems based on basic concepts. These all concepts of geometry will solve the question of complement of angle, then supplement angles, and then based on time, seconds and degree. Before that, I hope you have introduced to minutes and seconds. Each degree is divided into 60 equal parts called minutes. Symbolically, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. It's very important. Please note that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This sign is minutes and 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. This 2 is 60 seconds. This 2 dash is the seconds. Symbolically, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree is 1 hour. I hope you've understood till this. Based on this whole syllabus, we will solve question in next part with more topics. I hope you have understood this. Let's meet in part 2. Thank you for watching.